Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to be talking about how you can boost your Facebook page or your Facebook post for free. I've already made a video on this, but this video is something different because this technique is the best to promote your Facebook page for free. So let's get started. So first of all, let me clarify you that this is a slow process and you'll get results using this technique slowly. You won't get thousands of likes or thousands of followers within seconds or within hours. So you need to have a patience and determination to get results using this technique. So let's see what it is. So first of all, let me explain that what does boosting mean. Boosting your page or your Facebook post means that you show your page or your post to a lot of people, or you can just say reach to that in terms of Facebook ads. So in this video, we will use email marketing to promote or to boost our page for free. So we will show our page to a lot of people using email marketing. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open your browser and then you'll have to open Google. Okay, so all you need to start email marketing using this technique is you need to have a tool called Shane's Tools. I've already made a video on that, Shane's Tools, how you can use that, from where you can get that tool. So if you haven't watched that video, just go and watch that video called how to create an email list for free, so that you can understand this video in a better way. So let's get started. So first of all, open Google. Okay, so let's say your niche or your page niche is about dry fruits. Like, okay, I will write dry fruits in inverted commas. Okay, so if your page is about cricket, you'll have to write cricket. If your page is about some other sports, then you'll have to write that in this inverted commas, and then inverted commas, like then I will write a targeted location, the location I want to target. So I will write Islamabad. Okay, then I will write @gmail.com. okay, so a lot of people use Gmail in Islamabad, so if you wanna target hotmail.com, you can just write hotmail.com as well. So okay, so now I'm gonna search this. Okay, now as you can see that there are a lot of results and all of them are somehow related to dry fruits, related to my page niche. So if your page is about cricket, then all of results are related to cricket. So what I will do is I will click on this Shane's Tools. Okay, so now here you can see that it's called scrap email. So I'll click on this button and then I've got so many emails from here. Okay, so I will select all of them and copy, and then I will paste them in a text document. Okay, so I've got so many emails and all these emails are somehow related to dry fruits, related to my page niche. I can promote my page using these emails. I can send them promotional emails using my Gmail, and I can get more emails using this tool. Okay, so like from here, it's a page 1, so I can go to page 2 and then I will click on the Shane's Tools and then again scrap emails. Okay, and then I can get more emails. So I've got these emails within seconds, and like there are more than 100 emails within seconds. So I can get more emails using this technique, and I can just change the query. Like you can see that I can write organic products. It's also related to my page. It's also related to my niche. So I can search this and I can scrap emails using this tool, and all of them are new emails. So as you can see that I've got so many emails and I can promote my page using these emails. So the bonus tip is make sure you don't spam by sending so many emails at a time. So the best trick to send many emails at a time is you can just use some tools like MailChimp, or many other tools are there to send many emails at a time. So if you don't want to use those tools, then you will have to be careful to not spam your emails, like sending many emails at a time. So the trick is you can just change the content of your email a little bit when you send to many people at a time. So that's how you can just promote your Facebook page or your Facebook post for free using email marketing. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.